भगवती भगवती
नो नो apa dah udah ya.
Titus, respected Sister Marina, Sister Angela, and all my dear teachers and students. As you all know, that today we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. First of all, I would like to request all this beautiful program, right? All the teachers are requested to take their seats on the right side of the stage. Teachers plant the seeds of knowledge that continue to grow throughout the life. Just like we cannot imagine our day without sun, we cannot imagine our life full of knowledge without the teachers. So, they are the teachers who make your life, who turn your life into the good citizens.
I myself, Vasi Chauhan from class 5th Anturia, and I myself, Raval Somia from class 5th Bluebell. So, hello and good morning everyone. A warm welcome to each one of you for today's occasion. So, Somia, do you know why we are gathered here? Yes, it's Teachers' Day, and we are here to express our gratitude towards our teachers. Generally, Teachers' Day is celebrated for Dr. Radhakrishnan Sarvapalli, who was a great teacher. Soumya, did you know that in our Indian culture there is a tradition that every program begins with remembering God? As prayer is the food for our soul, let's begin this beautiful program with a prayer song. So I would like to call Chalpa teacher for the prayer song. Each single day gives us chance to grow. But is it possible to grow in our life without the help of the teacher? Probably the answer is no. To put more emphasis on my words, let's welcome Nandini teacher with her speech on this occasion.
Very good morning to my dear students, colleagues, and esteemed guests, Father Titus, Sister Marina, and Sister Angela. Today we are gathered here to celebrate a day that holds immense significance in the lives of educators like me. Teachers' Day is not just a day of recognition but a day of reminder of the impact that we have on shaping the minds of future generations. Today, as teachers, we are more than the facilitators of knowledge. We are mentors, guides, and role models. We inspire, motivate, and nurture our students to be a capable individual. Teaching is not just a profession, it's a calling. It requires patience, dedication, and willingness to change the lives of others. Today, on this special day, I want to express my gratitude to each and every one of you, to my students. Thank you for your source of inspiration and joy. To my teachers, thank you for your support and collaboration. And to my esteemed guests, thank you for recognizing the value of our work. Let us continue to strive the excellence in the education, to push the boundaries, and to make a positive impact on our students. Happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Hands together and welcome Sonagra Kusali of Standard 6th Carnation for her energetic dance performance.
तो छोड़ लूंगी कहाँ चला के साथ और पीछे मुड़ के भाग दिया इस तरह जब तुमने शुरू किया जाने कैसे था जुड़ा बोल चुपके में भी सुन तुझे आँखों को करते थे हाँ जाने के मेरे दिल की बात मैं छुप छुपा के करता रहता था शरारतें मगर वो जेम्स बॉन्ड जैसे मुझे ढूंढ लेते फिर सजा के तौर पर कठिन सा कोई सवाल खड़ा वो मुझको के झट से पूछ लेते फिर भी छोड़ दूंगी कहाँ चला के साथ जब साथ कुछ उन्होंने किया मैंने खुद को जैसे सौंप ही दिया मैं छोड़ दूंगी हाँ चला है थक कहने की बारी आज ओ टीचर तुम हमारे सर का ताज ओ टीचर तुम हमारे सर का ताज
On the Teachers' Day, we also just want to thank all the teachers. So let's put your hands together and welcome Shweta Jha for her wonderful speech. Good morning to one and all present here. I'm Shweta Jha of class 6 Bulwell, and today I'm welcoming all my dear teachers. But first of all together, you all have to speak with me. Happy! Yes! Today we all have gathered to celebrate Teachers' Day to honor their educated and one teacher can change the whole world. Once again, one child, one pen, one book, and one teacher can change the whole world. Never forget that. And I want to tell you one more thing. We all were having this doubt that teacher, after hearing the word teacher, we were getting fear. OMG, teacher, you will beat me if I will make any mistake. But if you will make any big mistake, then only teacher will beat you. No. When you repeat your mistake, then. And teacher will first apologize you that you not repeat this mistake again. So don't be afraid of teachers. Well, I have joined the school from first standard. I was also feeling the same thing. But when I came to my class, then my all confusions just vanished. How? I will tell you. For example, first, if you are getting any prize, that teacher will just encourage you to taking part in that, and you have got first. For example, I am getting first prize in solo dance competition. So teacher will encourage me, then I will feel very happy and I will just work harder on that. So don't feel like that way that teacher means just for education purpose, just for teaching purpose. No, just leave that all things. Teacher also encourages you. Teacher plays a very vital role in framing our future and minds. Never forget that. And when I came to my class, I forgot to tell you that when I came to my class, my first class teacher was Anu. And I still remember how the moments were of my first standard. I was very nervous. I felt scared. But when I came to the classroom, I just seen the teacher, that how she was explaining, and without any hesitation she was communicating to us. I was just so happy and my all fear vanished. She was taking my English, I still remember. Whichever teacher I met from first standard till now, I remember all of them. And they were just so awesome. I want to salute for all my teachers who have taught me right till now. And because of that only, I am here capable to speak in fluently. And you know what? In 6th standard, 2 important subjects are coming. Anybody knows from here? Anybody? Very good. Yes, SS and Sanskrit. Anybody knows the full form of SS? Very good. That's like nice. Okay, so SS, social science, which means social science and Sanskrit. So SS is taken by my Krupali ma'am. She is also teaching very amazing. SS, full. I like SS. Why, you know, full world we have to study latitudes, longitudes, civics, and all. I just love that. My favorite subject is science, which is taken by our Ravi sir. You know what? I'm very feared of English and English grammar. I was feared, but now I'm not feared. After seeing the word only grammar, I was just feeling like, OMG, grammar. I'm very scared, but no. When I studied from Veena ma'am, my all confusions just got over. I'm not feared of any subject, and I'm confident to take and give exam of any subject. And when I came in 6th standard, I also learned one more new subject, Sanskrit. In that first page of Sanskrit, there was given one shlok, about teachers, which I really liked it. So I thought to share with you all guys. Shall you want to hear the shlok? Okay. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. In this, what they are telling that teacher is Brahma, teacher is Vishnu, teacher is Lord Shiva, teacher is the magnificent of ultimate Lord. We salute with both head and folded hands to the teacher. And one thing I forgot, that who's taking my Sanskrit? Darshana ma'am is taking my Sanskrit, and she's also teaching very nicely. And right now Sona ma'am is taking my maths, that she's also an amazing my math mentor. Thank you for listening me, and once again, happy! Yeah! I'd like to call Jalpa ma'am with her motivational song.
छुप छुप के मैंने चोरी से छुप छुप के तिनका चुपके सपना एक बनाया। डोरी से बुन बुन के मैंने डोरी से बुन बुन के टुकड़ा सीखे सपना एक बनाया। टुकड़ा सीखे सपना एक बनाया। सपने रे सपने मेरे सपने मेरे आजा डायरी में छुपा दूं, आजा तुझको चोटी में बांधूं, कहीं किसी को न दिख जाए। सपने मेरे हाथ तेरा कस के पकड़ लूं, साथ तेरे मैं चल दूं, डर तुझे ना किसी से लग जाए। सपने मेरे रातों को जग के मैंने रातों को जग के तारा चुन के सपना एक बनाया। तारा चुन के सपना एक बनाया। चोरी से छुप के मैंने चोरी से छुप के दिन का चुपके सपना एक बनाया। डोरी से बुन के मैंने डोरी से बुन के टुकड़ा सीखे सपना एक बनाया। सपने मेरे सच हो जाना रे। Thank you.
Students of Standard 2nd, Janki Ba and Nitya Ba, they are performing one thank you song for all the teachers. So please put your hands together and welcome these two little angels on the stage.
Teachers, thank you. Your best is true. Take a bow, we thank you now for everything you do. From the early morning to the setting of the sun, you look for creative ways to make our learning fun. Thank you, teachers, thank you. Your best is true. Take a bow, we thank you now for everything you do. Thank you so much for caring, though we are driving you. You insect, thank you so much for sharing all that knowledge in your brain. Thank you, dear teacher today. Yes. So now I would like to call upon stage for the titles to speak a speech on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Teaching, and the last but not the least, molding our lives and making us a good citizen of tomorrow. Thank you and have a cheerful day.
આપણે આવી રીતે એન્ડ કરીશું પ્રોગ્રામ.
ના યાર, આવું તો સાવ ન ચાલે. ટીચર્સ ડે છે અને આટલો સાવ પ્રોગ્રામ એ તો ના ચાલે.
તો શું કરીશું ભૂમિ, તે કંઈ વિચાર્યું છે?
So our first surprise will be for security guard. So let us welcome security guard with a round of applause. So welcome them.
અહીંયા
please everyone put your hands together. So this title has been given by the students of standard 12.
So please welcome all the students of standard 12, girls and boys. Please come on stage.
So now I would like to welcome Hasmukh sir for a beautiful performance.
Good morning, everybody. Sisters, all my colleagues, and all the dear students. Today, before Father told me that, sir, please sing one song in the celebrations of Teachers' Day. Whatever you like. So, Father, I want to tell you, in this city, free of charge, and that is the 8th anniversary of first Hindi movie superstar Rajesh Khanna ji. And the name of my program is Ye Shaam Mastani. So this is the title song of my program, and the movie Kati Patam. It is picturized on the Rajesh Khanna Golden Jubilee hit movie Kati Patam. So let's enjoy this song, Ye Shaam Mastani. मुझे डोर कोई पीछे तेरी ओर लिए जा बस ओ लिए जा मुझे डोर कोई पीछे तेरी ओर लिए जा जैसे कि तू हंसती रहे कोई भी जाए बस ये जा मुझे कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जा बात जब मैं करूं मुझे तो कहती है क्यों तेरी मीठी नजर मुझे तो कहती है क्यों तेरी हया तेरी शर्म तेरी कसम मेरे होठ सिए जाए बस ये जा मुझे कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जा एक मुट्ठी हुई कटोरी जैसे कोई खामोश से कटोरी जैसे कोई तेरी नजर तेरे पैगा पिए जाए बस ये जा मुझे कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जा नाम से गिर क्यों लगा ये शाम सिंह क्यों लगा नाम की मुझे कोई खींचे तेरी ओर लिए जा नाइस नाम पे सुन La 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 la
Very interesting meeting of Bosan and Yusuf, and the another team will be between Siddharth sir and Anand sir.
So the topic is character education, more important than academic education. So Vaibhav sir and Tom sir will be speaking on the topic of character education, and Siddharth sir and Anil sir will be speaking. Okay, so please everyone listen the topic carefully. So the topic for the debate is character education more important than academic education? So Vaibhav sir and Tom education and Siddharth sir and Anil sir will be speaking on the topic of academic education. So put your hands together.
There is a saying, when wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. When character is lost, everything is lost. My topic is character education is more important than academic excellence. I support the topic character education is more important than the academic excellence. Even in the morning today, when I see larger number of children coming and wishing me the greetings of Teachers' Day. And in this, what I like, the children who are the rankers of the class, they were missing or they were lacking to come forward to wish me the greetings of a Teacher's Day. Even after the conclusion of your studies, after completing your 10th standard or 12th standard, I find many naughty children come forward and wish on the day of Teachers' Day or even the birthday. And what we like is academic excellence. Okay, it is important when you form a character. If you are not formed a character, your education is meaningless. So academic excellence is important, but according to me, character formation. If you are not forming a better character with your education, this education is meaningless. So I support the topic. Character formation is more important than academic excellence. I hand over the mic to my colleague.
So the debate will continue just for 2 minutes. So you can speak whatever you want in just 2 minutes.
Please do justice. Tom sir said that academic excellence, but it's not academic excellence, but academy or education. We have all a subject in our syllabus, in our that is moral science. The course moral science has been kept in our schools subject, one of the subject. You know why? What is the reason behind keeping moral science? And we know that moral science marks also is not added in the mark sheet also. Moral science is given, is being taught to the students to build the character. And moral science is a part of education. So ultimate target of putting moral science in education is to build the character. So without education, there cannot be a character. One best example I can give, we all have read about the story of Mahabharata. In Mahabharata, there was a famous war of Kurukshetra. In that, the Guru Dronacharya made a Chakravyuh, which was very difficult for the Pandavas to break it. At that time, one young boy came ahead and said that I will break the Chakravyuh. And you know what was his name? Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu, in short, I want to summarize. Abhimanyu learned this breaking of the Chakravyuh in the womb of his mother, Subhadra. So, it is because of the education that he was able to break the Chakravyuh. Education, one thing also I want to add, that academic education is not formed in the school, it forms in the family, and the education, the first teachers are our parents. So we get first education from the parents, and it is because of this education that character is formed. So if there is a character, definitely there is an education behind that.
Okay, so Anil sir, Siddharth sir, I would like to say, if you have any questions regarding what we have said, I will give the answer to what my colleague said, what Anil sir said. Anil sir gave one very nice example of education from Mahabharata. But the same Mahabharata, you know, the person who was the eldest among the Kaurava who was that? You all know about Mahabharata. Can you tell me who was the eldest among the Kauravas? And you know why the battle of Pandav and Kaurav was fought in the battlefield of Mahabharata? It is only because of character. All of the Pandavas and Kauravas were educated, but only because of the character of one person, or maybe 2 or 3 persons from the whole Kaurav, the battle took place. And the result Because of the person who failed in showing a better character, they lost. And the one who won were educated as well as good in character. So that is my reply to Anil sir. Do you have any questions?
I didn't ask a question. I just made a statement that education is responsible for character. I didn't ask a question. Okay, one person can teach. A teacher can teach 40 students. Responses of 40 will be different. But ultimately, what I want to say is that in building of character, education is very much important.
About the moral science. Moral science is taught in the class for the better character formation. So, I mean, he is also supporting our topic. Character formation is more important than education. Why moral science is taught in the classroom? It is for the better character formation of the children only. In moral science, from all the classes it is taught. So absolutely, I support the topic. Character formation is more important than education.
Okay. But the dam which is built on Bugao River, now it is because of the rain, but it is because of the Narmada River. It is because of the Narmada River that Sabarmati River and Mahi River gets the water. So I am telling metaphorically that it is because of the education character is formed. Just like because of Narmada River, the dam on Bugao gets water. The same way it is because of the education, the character is formed.
Sir, as you told, the character is important, but nowadays this is not the battlefield of Mahabharata. It is maximum battlefield everywhere. Everywhere certificate is required. They will ask how much you are qualified. How you qualified, they will never ask. Suppose if you go to the doctor's degree is important, that is he has qualified as MBBS or MD.
But certificates are available by giving money, sir. Nowadays, that is very easy.
That is true. I can support that statement also. But then also certificates are only seen, and if 100% academic education is truly given, then that will mold the character also.
One thing I want to, our respected pupil, Ashok Bhai can be a good Sanskrit teacher. Our respected pupil, Ashok Bhai can be a good Sanskrit teacher, knowledge. But Titus father will not appoint him as a teacher because he has to show some certificates.
Everywhere, yes. Designation is important.
Sorry to interrupt you, but last 30 seconds are left, so complete it.
Everywhere, sir, designation status is respected. If we consider we are teaching SS, President, Prime Minister, if they hold a position, howsoever their character is, they are respected because of their seats, not because of their characters.
Okay, for concluding, I may say, no doubt, our colleague said education is important. No doubt education is important, but for us, our today's topic was showing importance to the character. First is the character, because if you have a good character, like Tom sir said, if you have a very good character, automatically, whether you are educated, whether you are having a degree or a certificate, that will be clearly valued. But even though if you are educated and without character, it may be a big loss to you as well as the nation. Thank you.
So what to conclude? A student who is properly educated, he will be well-mannered and well-cultured and well-charactered. Thank you.
Answer.
Okay. Children, they are also tired of sitting down.
So I take 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I appreciate my 12th standard boys and girls. You are the fruits of this school. From KG, you came as a small seed, and all these teachers on the process of your growth, they helped you. And that is why you have arranged this program for the teachers. Thank you very much for Bhagavati and all the young boys. You are the nation. And we are there with you because your teachers have given both education and the character. Two you have received. That is the best certificate. And they have given symbolically a gift to the security staff. A few lessons to learn, even for our life. A person whom you see the first and the person whom you see the last is security person. In your life as well, the teacher or your mother should be the first person whom you see in life and the last person to whom you should see in your life. Always have this memory of your parents and your teachers because they have contributed. And second, anyone who comes in the life, lock it as the security does. And then never allow anyone to go without outpass. Outpass is a kind of an indication that is you go with the full knowledge of security. If anyone leaves your life, you should know, yes, that particular person has gone from your life. And the third lesson is, these two will pass off. Next morning, they will come back. And we believe that you will come back to this institution. And you have done a great job. And the fourth lesson that you learn from the security staff is, even though you did not greet him or wish him, either on your birthday or his birthday, or even if you fail to wish him on every day, still he gives a beautiful smile. And that is the beauty of a security guard. Even though you don't respect your parents or teachers, still our hearts are widely open for you. We are there with you and we want you to grow. And the last and the most important is, people see only the fruits, but the roots are at the MI. Whatever the values, the character that you have formed, that you have shown symbolically, giving a cycle to that man. Why? And this is what you have to go. And he was using a broken cycle, and today I have given something from your side, and that's a great gift. Every day have a sympathetic way of looking at the people who are poor and who are needy. And that is how we are going to take care of the people around. Be a good human, and that is the best message for the day. Be a good human, and your teachers make our children a good human. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
टीचर
नफरत के लायक हूँ मैं।